6 left in Noir. What's going on, everybody? Conrad here from MojoBreak.com on Sunday, March 1st, 2020 to do another 5-box 18, 19, 20 NBA Prizm Explosion Mixer. This is going to be the random teams number 18 of this mixer. Let's go to random.org to determine your team's good luck. First, we're going to roll the virtual dice on random.org to see how many times we randomize. If we roll a snake eyes, it would have fought to 3 randoms. We're going to go 3 times in this one. All teams in, 30 spots total. We're going to go 3 times for teams. 1, 2, 3. Dallas Mavericks. Dallas. Down to the Bucks on the bottom. 3 times. Alright, and 3 times in the random for your names. 1, 2, and 3. Boogerhead. Paul B. 3 times, like we did for your teams. Here are all your teams, folks. 5 minutes to trade, and then we will rip it. No Hillis going on this one. No Hillis credits, but all card ship.